JDBC architecture type 2 drivers in Java database connectivity. Here you can see JDBC architecture type 2 drivers. A type 2 driver converts JDBC calls directly into the client's API provided by the database without need for an intermediate ODBC layer. For this reason, these drivers offer better performance than type 1 drivers. Such drivers are known as native API partly Java drivers. Type 2 drivers communicate with the database by using the native client library provided by the database. This library is required to be loaded on the client machine. Because of this, applets cannot use these type of drivers. This architecture can be seen in this figure. Type 2 JDBC drivers translate JDBC calls into native DBMS APIs. Type 2 drivers consist of Java components and a native code component, which requires that binary code be loaded into each client machine. Here you can see applications interact with JDBC API. JDBC API interacts with driver manager and data source. Driver manager and data source interact with native API partly Java type 2 driver. Native API partly Java type 2 driver interacts with DB client library. DB client library interacts with database. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.